Welcome to How to Write a Formal Business Letter 2026 version. Please set you margins to these specifications. Now click the Enter button 5 times and line up your cursor with the 1-inch mark on the ruler to the left. This ensures we have the proper format for our professional business letter. Next, insert today's date on the first line. Make sure the date is aligned with the 1-inch margin on the left. After inserting the date, press the Enter key 4 more times. This creates proper spacing for the memo header and keeps everything aligned neatly on the page. Here we'll add who the memo is written to, along with their address. And type the city followed by a comma, then the state and the zip code. Always make sure there is a comma after the city and before the state. This keeps your address formatted correctly and professional. After finishing the address, press the Enter key twice. Dear Professor Jones, make sure you use a colon, not a comma. In business, the colon is correct punctuation for formal letters. Now we begin writing the body of your formal business letter. This is where you clearly explain your purpose, provide details, and communicate your message. Once you've finished writing the body, press Enter twice. After typing sincerely, press Enter 4 times. Next, type your name and address using the same format we used earlier for the recipient. That space between sincerely and your name is intentional. It's reserved for your signature when you print and sign the physical document. That completes the tutorial on how to write a formal business letter in 2026. Thanks for watching.